Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python. In this video, we are going to look at the Pytest framework. So, what is the Pytest framework? The Pytest framework is a powerful Python testing framework that simplifies writing readable tests while supporting complex testing scenarios. Originally from the PyPy project, it's now adopted by organizations like Mozilla and Dropbox. And the framework actually handles everything from unit to end tests, making it versatile for Python projects of any size. And with its rich plugin ecosystem and smooth Python integration, it has become a preferred testing tool for many developers. And we'll look further at the key features of Pytest. So for the fixtures, you can manage test resources with the at pytest.fixture, which the decorator which is here. Okay, so decorators are for clean reusable test environments, and the another feature of Pytest is parameterized testing. Okay, so with parameterized testing, you can test multiple input scenarios using this decorator right here. So this helps to reduce duplication and enhancing coverage. Another key feature of Pytest is asset rewriting. Okay, so you get a detailed error message from standard asset statements without special methods or helpers. Pytest features minimal boilerplate with a focus on readability, and tests are written as a simple functions with automatic discovery and execution. That's it for what we have for you today on Pytest. Do well to subscribe and check out the next video on the playlist. Thank you for watching.